So this is a quick video on the 2001 Honda Insight, and the problem I'm having is it won't start in neutral. It'll start in park but not in neutral. So the problem is probably the neutral safety switch, and this is the neutral safety switch. It's pretty easy. It's just got 2 bolts, and you take loose the plug here. And the only tricky part is you can see that shaft there is kind of like oblong or square looking. So you have to make sure that you align up. I don't know if you can see that. The shaft inside here, you could take a screwdriver and position it. I can't get in there. But the shaft is made just like this post here. You stick a screwdriver in here and just let me show you. Stick a screwdriver in here and just turn it till it lines up with this shaft, and you should be able to go right into it. So the way it looks is it's on the top of the engine. And it fits just like that. I don't know if you can see that. So all you have to do is tighten up your 2 screws, connect up your plug, and you should be good to go. I hope this helps.